In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert PowerPoint presentations to Google Slides. Let's open a PowerPoint presentation. This is a presentation file that I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to convert this presentation to Google Slides. To do this, launch your Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Slides. Let's take a blank presentation from here. In the title bar, click on File. In the drop-down menu, click on Open. In the Open menu, click on Upload. Now click on Browse. Select your PowerPoint presentation and click on Open. According to the size of your presentation, it may take a few moments to upload the file. Here you can see that we have successfully converted a PowerPoint presentation to Google Slides.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.